Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 11. Gym, Exercise Chat. Did you go to the gym today? Yeah, I did. Aren't you exhausted? My legs are dead. Have you been exercising consistently? About 3 times a week. That is impressive. Not enough yet. What did you train today? It was leg day. That sounds brutal. It really is. Did you go running? I ran 5 kilometers. How was your pace? Pretty decent. Are you okay with the soreness? It hurts a lot. Are you resting properly? I try to. Do you drink protein shakes? Every day. What flavor do you like? Chocolate. Have you gotten stronger lately? Little by little. Easier than before. You are improving. Wasn't the gym crowded today? It was packed. Did you have to wait for machines? Just a bit. Do you prefer morning workouts? I prefer evenings. Are mornings hard for you? Very hard. Have you been watching your diet lately? As much as possible. Aren't you eating sweets though? Sometimes. Are you stretching properly? Lately, not really. Be careful not to get injured. I will. Didn't we walk too much today? We walked a ton. Don't your feet hurt? A little bit. Isn't that workout outfit cool? Thanks. Did you buy it recently? It arrived yesterday. Haven't you been super motivated lately? I really am. Did something inspire you? Summer is coming. Are you heading home already? Just one more set. Do not overdo it. Thanks. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.